Welcome everyone! Today we're diving into the vibrant and exciting world of social media. Get ready to explore how your online time can become a rewarding opportunity. Hey social media lovers, have you ever thought about how much time you spend on your favorite platforms? Are you ready to transform your online time into real cash? Imagine turning those hours into a profitable venture. Because today we're diving into the incredible world of social media jobs, where you can earn $25 to $50 an hour. Yes, you heard that right. Think about it. You're already scrolling through your feeds. What if that time could pay off? What if every like, share, and comment could bring in some extra income? Picture this, sharing your favorite posts, connecting with brands, and making money while you do it. It's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. With the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can turn your social media skills into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time job. There are countless resources and courses available to help you get started. So why not take the plunge and explore this exciting opportunity? Start today and who knows, you might just find yourself earning more than you ever imagined, all while doing something you love. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of social media jobs and transform your online time into real cash. Social media isn't just for fun, it's a booming industry. Every day, companies are searching for passionate people like you to help them connect with their audience. The best part? No experience required. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to these success stories. Insert short clips of energetic testimonials. They were once in your shoes and now they're living their dreams. So what types of jobs can you dive into in the ever-evolving world of social media? Let's break it down. Social media manager, craft captivating content, engage followers, and analyze metrics to boost brand presence. You'll be the mastermind behind a brand's online persona. Brand ambassador. Be the face of a brand you love and promote it on your platforms. Share your genuine experiences and build trust with your audience while driving brand loyalty. Content creator. Make exciting videos and posts that entertain and inform. From filming to editing, you'll bring ideas to life and captivate audiences with your creativity. The best part? There's a job for everyone. Whether you're a creative genius, a data-driven strategist, or a social butterfly, dive into the dynamic world of social media and find your perfect fit. Feeling excited? Want to discover what role fits you best? We've got a quick and fun quiz just for you. Cut to quiz interface with a clickable link and energetic visuals. Hit the link below, take our 1-minute quiz, and discover how you can transform your social media habits into a profitable venture. Imagine turning every moment you spend online into a chance to earn real money. Step into a world where your social media time turns into real earnings. Let's turn your scrolling into a paycheck. Start your journey today. It's simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Join countless others who have already started earning. Click the link now and take the first step towards financial freedom.